So hi guys, our second bunch of birds. They have grown, as you can see. Come, let's go and see the house. And we give them food. We give them also water. As you can see, water is also getting done. Yeah, so this is a video. You should stick around and watch. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. And yes. So as you can see, they have finished all the food and we are going to change even the water and add them feeds. So let's do it together. I enjoy giving these birds feeds because they are still, they are not so hostile like the ones which are old. The other ones, they love picking. Actually, you entering their house without gumboots is not easy. So these ones are still cool. Yeah, so enjoy the video guys. If you haven't yet subscribed, consider subscribing and God bless you. Apparently our birds are 10 weeks and next thing we are going to do, vaccinate them, and we shall also do debeaking very soon because yeah, it's time for them to be debeaked. By the way guys, these birds like feeding. So when we bring new feeds in the feeders, they act so hungry. Just look at the way they're fighting on the feeders, guys. They overcrowd the place, but we have 4 feeders basically. They look enough, and somehow it is survival for the fittest. But whenever they eat and get tired, they go off, and then some other birds also get access to the feeds. So it's fun in the poultry house, and apparently they have made 10 weeks, and yeah, we are soon expecting eggs. They are no longer chicks, but bringing them up to this level is not easy. So right now we even changed water. We always treat this water before we give the birds because yeah, we don't trust it. And these birds, they are really vulnerable. They are prone to diseases, so we try as much as possible to disinfect this water. So as you can see, everything is nice. They have eaten and you see they are off the feeders, and others are also having fun. Enjoy the video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please kind request that you subscribe, and yeah, enjoy the video. Bye. They are enjoying their life.